बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। गर्ल्स, आज जो हम टॉपिक पढ़ने लगे हैं आर्ट एंड एस्थेटिक में, वो है कैलीग्राफी। कैलीग्राफी को एज एन आर्ट फॉर्म किस तरह से प्रेजेंट किया जाता है और बेसिकली कैलीग्राफी है क्या। व्हाट इज कैलीग्राफी? द वर्ड कैलीग्राफी मस्ट बी डिफाइंड as dictionary states handwriting or penmanship or simply beautiful writing। यानी कैलीग्राफी का बेसिकली मतलब ये है कि खूबसूरत जो राइटिंग है उसको कैलीग्राफी कहते हैं, खूबसूरत खत जो है उसको कैलीग्राफी कहते हैं। द वर्ड कैलीग्राफी इज यूजुअली डिफाइंड बाय इट्स टू ग्रीक रूट्स, कैली मीनिंग ब्यूटीफुल एंड ग्राफिया रेफरिंग टू द राइटिंग। Writing is the representation of language in a textual medium through the use of set of signs or symbols which are known as the writing system। So जो भी textual medium है, जो भी text है, अगर तो वो beautiful लिखा है तो वो कैलीग्राफी में आ जाता है, ठीक है। और कैलीग्राफी और जो साइंस और सिंबल्स हैं वो पिक्टोग्राम में आ जाते हैं, वो टाइपोग्राफी में आ जाते हैं, लेकिन जो ब्यूटीफुल राइटिंग है दैट इज कंसिडर्ड द कैलीग्राफी। Calligraphy is a type of visual arts related to writing. A contemporary definition of calligraphy practice is the art of giving form to signs in an expressive, harmonious and skillful creative manners। मतलब के जो भी आप टेक्स्ट लिख रहे हैं, जो भी टेक्स्ट है, अगर उसमें हार्मनी है, अगर उसमें प्रपोर्शन है, अगर वो वेल बैलेंस्ड है, तो इट विल क्रिएट अ स्किलफुल इम्पैक्ट। Calligraphy continues to flourish in the form of wedding and event invitation, font size, designs, original hand-lettered logo designs, religious art, announcements related to graphic designs, calligraphy card, cardstone inscriptions, and memorial documents। जो भी स्टोन्स के ऊपर इंस्क्रिप्शंस लिखवाई जाती हैं, राइटिंग है, दैट इज आल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन द कैलीग्राफी। जो इनविटेशन कार्ड्स हैं, जो भी रिलीजियस से रिलेटेड है, चाहे वो एक बुक फॉर्म में हो, बुक इलस्ट्रेशन की फॉर्म में, बट इन द सेंस ऑफ इन टेक्सचुअल जो मटेरियल है दैट इज कॉल्ड द कैलीग्राफी। इट्स आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर द props in the moving images for film and television, testimonials, birth and death certificates, maps and the other works involving writing। ये सब जो राइटिंग के अंडर आता है वो सारा कैलीग्राफी में के ही मायने में आएगा। सेकंड है व्हाट इज टाइपोग्राफी। टाइपोग्राफी फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड टाइपोस from and graphy means writing, is the art and the technique of arranging type in the order to make language visible। The arrangements of the type involves the selection of typefaces, point size, line length, leading, and the spacing between the lines, and the adjusting the letters and adjusting as well space between the pairs of letters between the lines, that is called the typography। नेक्स्ट है हिस्ट्री ऑफ इस्लामिक कैलीग्राफी। अब इस्लामिक कैलीग्राफी जो है दैट इज यूज द पर्टिकुलर term Islamic calligraphy। So what is the Islamic calligraphy? First we are going to discuss its history। Islamic calligraphy, also known as Arabic calligraphy, is the artistic practice of handwriting or the calligraphy, and by extension of bookmaking in the land sharing a common Islamic cultural heritage that is considered under the cultural heritage। This art form is based on the Arabic script। जैसे कि हमारे कुरान पाक लिखा गया है एक बुक फॉर्म में, एक बुक बाइंड है, तो वो एक अरेबिक में लिखा गया है। तो ये अरेबिक स्क्रिप्ट जो है बेसिकली ब्यूटीफुल राइटिंग को आप जब एक बुक फॉर्म में करते हैं और खूबसूरत फॉर्म में लिखते हैं तो वो एक आर्ट की ब्रांच वो बन जाती है, एक आर्ट का एलिमेंट उसमें ऐड हो जाता है। तो calligraphy is basically that thing, which for the long time was used by all the Muslims in their respective language। they used to represent. Acha, there is not only the mean that the beautiful script in Arabic is just only the qaida calligraphy. No, in all the languages by all the Muslims in the respective language, जो उनकी language है उसमें लिखा है, that is called the calligraphy. They used it to represent God because they denied representing God with images. So what was the reason of to promote the Islamic calligraphy? यहाँ पे ये चीज मेंशन हो रही है कि in Islam it is forbidden to represent the God, to show the God in the form of images. So the beautiful writing has a symbolic significance to show the God. That's why they prefer to in skillful manner to use to promote the calligraphy, Islamic calligraphy. Calligraphy is especially revered among Islamic arts since it was the primary means for the preservation of Quran. Islamic calligraphy. So मतलब कि कुरान पाक को सेव करना, प्रिजर्व करना एक खूबसूरत खताती में इट्स एम कैलीग्राफी का जो मकसद है इस्लामिक कैलीग्राफी का वो ये है. As it based on Arabic letters, some called it the Arabic calligraphy. कुछ लोग इसे Arabic calligraphy कहते हैं. However, the term Islamic calligraphy is a more appropriate term as it comprises all the works of calligraphy by the Muslim calligraphers from Morocco to China. Islamic calligraphy excelled due to the form of Arabic letters composed of dots, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कट, एक टिपिकल वर्ड है, composed of dots, line and curves. जब आप अलिफ लिखते हो तो आपको उसको डिवाइड करना होता है 3 कतों में, 4 कतों में. there is behind a technical basically construction on which the letter is built basically. तो उन्होंने ये बताया कि अगर आप नुक्ता डालते हो बे का या अलिफ डालते हो, लाइन है, अगर दाल डालते हो जो कर्व आ जाती है, तो there is behind some methods, some particular methods to according that some particular styles according that you can set your letters. फर्दर मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि उन स्टाइल्स को भी क्या कहते हैं, जो पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल्स है जिनके अकॉर्डिंग आप लेटर करते हो, वो मजीद अगली स्लाइड पे है. एनीवेज, दिस एट्रीब्यूट्स गिव्स द आर्टिस्ट अ फ्रीडम टू क्रिएट. इसके थ्रू आर्टिस्ट को जब स्टाइल्स है तो he has a liberty to which style he wants to adopt it and in which style he wants to convey his calligraphy. जो भी उसने लिखना है उसके पास एक वेरिएशन है स्टाइल्स की. अच्छा जी, calligraphy for Muslims is a visible expression of the highest art of all, the art of the spiritual world. This thing connect with the world which is beyond this physical world, that is called the spiritual world. The holy book of Islam, Al-Quran, has played an important role in the development and evolution of Arabic language and Islamic calligraphy. Next आ जाते हैं जी, there are the various styles of the calligraphy through which we can understand ये कौन सा खत है, ये कौन सा लेटर है जिसको लिखा गया है. तो various styles of calligraphy have been identified over the time. Kufic, the first letter is the Kufic, and it is also called the Nabatean. This Kufic is another thing and Nabatean is another thing, but Nabatean is also called as a first letter, first style of the calligraphy. Here we are defining the Kufic is the earliest known for the calligraphy script. It's characterized by straight lines and angles. It was in this script that the first copies of Quran were written. So here it is defined that very angular text है ये. इसमें बहुत rigidity है, like बहुत straight lines use होती हैं, curved lines नहीं use होती. तो हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल लाइंस के थ्रू इस लेटर को लिखा जाता है or it is probably considered that the first of all Quran is written in this style. And somewhere, some also places where it is also the mention, the Nabatian, but still it is doubtful. Anyways, the second style is Naskh style, a more cursive form of the script known as Naskh, developing over the time and began appearing around 900 years. Naskh, which meaning copying, was developed in the 10th century and refined into a fine art form in Turkey in the 16th century. It is a small script whose lines are thin and letter shaped or round. Yani it's a cursive form basically. The following are different examples of Naskh in various Qurans, and end of these slides I also show the difference between the Kufic Naskh and further the Tulat and Taliq. The Tulat was the medieval Islamic style of handwriting alphabet. Tulat, it means 1/3. It's written on the principle that 1/3 of each letter slopes in the form of slant, यानी कि इसको slant करके लिखा जाता है 1/3 of each letter. It is a large and elegant cursive script used in medieval times on the mosque decorations. It took on some of the functions of the early Kufic script. It was used to write surah headings, religious inscriptions, and princely titles and epigraphs. Means the expression of Tulat is obvious. It is used as a heading, तो it means के ये किसी भी चीज को define करने के लिए, किसी भी particular term को define करने के लिए इसको लिखा जाता है ताकि वो prominent हो सके. It took on some of the functions as I have told you, and it was also used for the many of the large copies of Quran produced from the 13th century, and it is considered that the many of the copies of Quran which has been written in Tulat script also developed during the 13th century. The other style is Taliq. It also called the Nastaliq, and it is also called the Farsi script. Taliq is a cursive style of the lettering developed in the Iran in the 10th century. The rounded forms and the exaggerated horizontal strokes that characterize Taliq letters were derived primarily from the Raqqa script. So this has a very close relationship with the Raqqa, which we will also discuss in the further slides. So it was developed in the 10th century, and it's considered that is this letter was developed in Iran. These are examples we are mentioned as first of all, this is a very solid vertical and horizontal lines that is give an impact of the Kufic style. The other, I have to mention this slide, just want to show you that these are the dots are just called the cut, and these are basically a technical method on which the letter are built. I have told you. So these cut, this shows the distance, this creates the harmony, proportion between the letters. There is also another slides, and this is the example of Talaq, which is the more cursive, and every 1/3 part of the letter is the cursive. So this is the best example to understand this. And the next is the Taliq or the Nastaliq or the Farsi script. This is basically a very beautiful writing. It's more refined है. Further इसकी Taliq और Nastaliq, these are basically मिलते जुलते हैं. और इस वक्त जो इतनी भी कैलीग्राफी है उसमें सबसे ज्यादा जो रिफाइंड खत है, जिसको बहुत जिसे कहते हैं, जैसे कि तुलत की एक स्पेशलिटी थी कि इट वाज यूज्ड इन रिटन द हेडिंग्स ऑफ द सूरा और वट एवर, और इसी तरह नस्तालीक जो है ये किसी भी खत में डेलिकेसी, किसी भी खत को एलिगेंट बनाने के लिए ये वाले जो खत है वो इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. These are also some examples of the Kufic in the early period of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is called, generally considered that the first calligraphy was started by these style. Thank you so much. Now I have to be revise all the lecture which I had given to you today. First of all, what is the calligraphy and the significance of calligraphy? What is the typography and significance of the typography? Or the third is mentioned to you the importance of the history of Islamic calligraphy. After the importance of history of Islamic calligraphy, I had discussed some various styles of calligraphy, in which discussion of the Kufic, Nas, Thuluth and Taliq. And I have shown you the examples of these slides, how you can judge this letter belongs to which style. Further, it has also a style I will discuss with you in the next slide. Thank you so much again.